So I got a package here. It's about yay big, probably the size of my face. But I'm super excited because I needed this for some projects because I wanted to do them right. And my husband actually tried stealing it from me for the kitchen. I'm like, no, no, no. I need this. He does a lot of cooking and sauces, and we do a lot of canning. And I was like, I'll buy one separate. This one is specifically for me. So let me open it real quick. If it'll come out, that would be great. It's a scale. I'm so excited. So here's what it looks like. Oh, it's battery operated and it has like a film to take off. It looks nice. It's a nice size and everything. But yeah, this is definitely going to help me and I'm super excited to use it and show you guys my project.